I hope that you are preparing for winter because it is around the corner. And with that in mind, I'm gonna give you some recommendations, whether for those of you who wanna listen, and some other things that we found in our local Walmart that, quite frankly, there are things that we were looking for a while. And the thing in here is that where we live, we have to take advantage of when they are available, because otherwise they disappear and don't come back, and they do not come back. I'm sorry, guys, it's late. I am tongue twisted, if you will. I'm tired, but I want to share this with y'all. And before I start throwing receipts away and whatnot, I wanted to do this video because I even took out the tags from the stuff that I want to talk to you about, and I want to put it in the pinned comment and in the comment in the description so you guys can go check it out. Hopefully they are available in your area, in your local Walmart. Pretty much everything that I'm going to share with y'all today, it is from Walmart, and there is a Walmart in every corner. So the first thing that I'm going to share with y'all is this jacket. This is a parka. And this is a waterproof, windproof, and in an extremely warm jacket. And when I say extremely warm jackets, I'm saying it because we use it here. This is extremely, I'm telling you all this right now. You're going to get your money's worth with this jacket. And this is a Real Treat EPX Men Insulated Hunting Parka. I'm gonna put the links in I don't get a single penny from none of this, y'all. I don't get a single penny. I'm just sharing this with you because this really is a good jacket, a really good jacket that we use. And the proof is in the pudding. Put it on the floor, and these are things that we use, and we use it heavy. So I'm gonna put this to the side because this is something else. But this is the old one that Laz was using. This is a medium one. Storage parka, medium size, men, Real Treat. I'm not throwing it away. This is gold right here. I vacuum sealed it, and I'm putting it away. No, well, I have been put away, but yeah, again, we use it, but he outgrew his. Then he started using mine, and I was like, I'll just use mine for the time being. Now I'm like, okay, I kind of need mine back because my Columbia one finally started kicking the bucket. I noticed it last year, so I was like, we're gonna have to get I need to get a jacket, a parka like this one. I need to get it. And Dee went to Walmart today and she texted me. She's like, Billy, they have it. And we went immediately. I got one for myself. Dee got one for herself. Last is okay because he still has mine. Guys, they're really good and they're only $56. That right there, my friends, is a bargain. It's a bargain. Now, I got, and this is something for maybe you guys will not understand this, but this is hunting clothes, y'all. This is it. This is right here. This is a No Boundary shirt. This is hunting clothes. This is something that we put on. I got the same for last. These are Wranglers hunting clothes. A lot of times when we are in the camp or whatever, I'm not going to be wearing camo. This is hunting clothes. This is camping clothes and whatnot. So on special, I think if my receipt was right, I paid $19 for a shirt. Last got the same exact thing. And for the pants, I pay $26.98. Nothing special. I just want to share this with you. Here are some other things. I got a pair of pants same brand, same everything, because this everything here is waterproof, and this work as a shelf, meaning that it blocks wind and whatnot. So I got a pair of pants for me and for Les, because when we are out there, just hunting or whatever, and it gets really windy and it gets rain. Our funny thing is that we have rain gear, but our rain gear is for fishing purposes. So believe me, they stink. They smell like fish, and they're heavier than this. This, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this material, but it doesn't make a lot of sound, and that's what you want. You don't want to make a lot of sound out there. The camo, it's just, that's what they have. But what we do is we have our regular clothes, and we put this over. This are pants. But this right here will also keep you warm. Really, really warm. And these pants are $35. Again, everything in the description and in the pinned comment. So if you want something for winter, consider having something like this. And if you get hot, all you have to do is just take it off, roll it in, and that is it. Easy peasy, right? All right. So we got this long sleeve shirts. I quite honestly got it because Les has been bugging me for it. He's like, Dad, I want to look like the woods and whatnot. I got him a shirt up. I think it was like, where is it? Where is it? It was $16. I know. I got it just because he had been asking me for it. So I was like, okay. So I got him that. Now, you guys have heard me talk about shelf and whatnot. They disappear. The ones that I like, they disappear. But today, they reappear again. Again, this is Rio Tree. Waterproof. Everything. This is a very light shelf. And I have in my pack one just like this. One exactly like this. And it have been with me for a very long time. Laz had a similar one. He outgrew it. That's what I was like throwing in my laps a little bit ago. And this one, if I remember where I put it, right here. This is the jacket. This is a medium size. So now he's bigger, so he needed something big. So you see, I don't throw stuff away. This is things that holds its value. But winter is already approaching in my area. Fall is pretty much 2 weeks away. And then moose hunting is rainy, is nasty, is disgusting. This helps us quite a bit. So we definitely got I got one for him because we got him the other ones that we got one and buy one and get one free. But the color is that green, like light, I don't know, like screaming green. That he's like, I really don't like the color, Dad. It's kind of like digital camo. He really does not like it. I'm gonna be honest with you. We have used them. We will continue to use it, but for hunting purposes, I really don't like it. I don't like the color. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I like this type of color better. But Mrs. D got herself one. It's funny because she was like, "Ooh, you and Laz are getting." I won one, and I bought extras to put away. Because, hey, this right here is $44.94. It is worth the price. I'm telling you this right now. The three things that I show you, the shelf with the pants, with works as a shelf, is worth the money. And the parka, man, you put these three things together, you have something going on. And all those three are about $135.94. So I just want to share that with y'all guys. Winter is fast approaching. If you're planning to be up there in the woods or not, you may want to get something that is waterproof. They don't have gloves right now. These are my old gloves, same brands and everything, same waterproof, insulated. Make sure that you have the gear that you need and that you are safe. Just saying. Look, I'm telling you all, sometimes at Walmart you can find really good deals. These are socks that I use for hunting. Walmart. Get them. And you know, just be mindful. Get in ahead of time. Don't wait until the very end. Right now, at least in my area, they have it. I don't know your area. I'm gonna put those 3 things in the comment section and everything. So hopefully you guys, if it's not available, at least you guys can order it. But take advantage of it right now, because the last thing you want is winter hitting or hunting season getting here and you not having the right gear. With that being said, thank you all for being here with me today. God bless you all, and I hope to see you in the next one.